The search for hidden planets in our solar system is not something new. In the solar system, 8 planets were known to exist by 1900 after 7 more planets were found to be located from Earth. However, U.S. astronomer Percival Lowell proposed the possibility of a 9th planet in 1902. He was studying Mars at this time in an effort to demonstrate the presence of intelligent life there, since many scientists at the time believed that there had to be Martians living on the red planet. Also, it was his studies that convinced him that there might be a 9th planet. Overview. This is because he noticed a strange phenomenon in the way meteor showers, comets, and other planets' orbits related to each other. In fact, something seemed to be affecting the orbits of Uranus and Neptune. He started looking for this planet in 1905, but he never discovered it. After Lowell's death in 1916, an American astronomer discovered this enigmatic 8th planet. On February 18, 1930, another American astronomer called Clyde Tombaugh discovered this celestial object and called it Pluto. Yes, Pluto was formerly referred to as Planet X. Why then did we tell you everything? Yes, it's because astronomers observe unusual activity occurring in the solar system, and history appears to be repeating itself. However, even with today's technology, finding planets in the solar system is not as simple as you might expect. However, it's possible that there are multiple planets out there that are just waiting to be found. This brings us to the current situation, and that is, some astronomers think we've yet to discover another 9th planet. However, it would not simply be another dwarf planet like Pluto. It would most likely be much larger. Astronomers think that there might be undiscovered planets because of a phenomenon known as the Craze mechanism. The Craze mechanism is a dynamic effect in celestial mechanics that describes the evolution of the orbits of 2 celestial bodies. It is often a hierarchical triple system in which one body circles a second body, and both are orbited by a third body. Astronomers can learn more about the dynamic processes that have created the architecture of the outer solar system and the orbital properties of TNOs by examining the effects of the Craze mechanism. 2010 finding. Using the Craze mechanism, 2 astronomers from the California Institute of Technology presented possible proof of Planet X in 2010. They discovered differences between the orbital characteristics of dwarf planets and trans-Neptunian objects. TNOs include Pluto, Charon, Eris, and Sedna. The remarkable thing about the TNOs is that some of them were discovered to be orbiting in clusters, which is quite unlikely unless they are influenced by something larger. These TNOs are located in the Kuiper Belt, the origin of which remains a mystery to scientists. This region of the solar system is extremely dark, reflecting very little light from the sun. Astronomers estimate that Planet X is at least 20 times further from the sun than Neptune based on model calculations. Neptune is typically located about 2.8 billion kilometers from the sun. It is mind-boggling to think that far away. Neptune's orbit around the sun takes approximately 165 Earth years to complete. If Planet X exists at that distance, astronomers estimate it would take between 10 and 20,000 years to complete one full round around our sun. When you combine all of these factors, you understand why it has been so difficult for us to find it. Other findings. According to calculations done in 2014, if Planet X exists, it must be between 2 and 15 times as big as Earth and orbit the Sun between 250 and 1,500 astronomical units away. The distance between the Earth and the Sun is 1 astronomical unit or 93 million miles. Yes, it is very far away from us. So you might be thinking, where is this planet? There might be one more location where this enigmatic planet could be hiding. Using the Panoramic Survey Telescope and Rapid Response System, astronomers are still covering every area of the sky that the planet is expected to be. According to a team, it has already covered 80% of the possible areas that were calculated from previous studies. However, astronomers believe that if Planet X exists, another telescope will detect it almost immediately. The Large Synoptic Survey Telescope, also known as the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, is presently being built and is anticipated to finish in January 2025. An astronomer from the Education University of Hong Kong, named Man Ho-chan, believes that there may be up to 20 moons orbiting Planet X, each with a diameter of roughly 62 miles. According to Chan, the temperature of these objects would be roughly minus 280 degrees Fahrenheit due to tidal heating from Planet X, which would cause these moons to be hot. That doesn't sound particularly warm, but the average temperature in the Kuiper Belt is minus 370 degrees Fahrenheit. An example of a hot moon is the volcanically active Io, which orbits Jupiter. In considering this, if Planet X has moons and they do reach this hot, they will probably release a faint radio signal that the new Rubin telescope will be able to detect when it becomes operational. However, the search for Planet X is still ongoing. The discovery of Planet X will mark the beginning of another era in planetary research and exploration. Its implications are far-reaching, promising to enhance our understanding of the solar system's dynamics, inspire future missions, and potentially reshape our search for extraterrestrial life. As we continue to uncover the mysteries of this new world, one thing is certain: the cosmos is full of surprises waiting to be revealed. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. What are your thoughts? Could we find a new planet in the solar system? Make sure you write all your thoughts in the comment section. Let's meet again with our next video.